What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning back into the channel. In today's video, we are going to go look at another car. So we gotta hurry up. I'm running late as usual, but we're taking the old trusty Dodge, getting the trailer, and heading about 2 hours away to go look at another Mustang. So it should be fun. Anyway, I gotta hurry up, so run the intro.
I got crazy thoughts that stay on my mind. I promise I'm fine. I'm doing alright. And I'm back again.
So we got some boards for the trailer, just in case we need a little bit more angle. We've got straps in here. Let's see, toolbox, impact, gat. We should be good to go. So go down here, back down, get the trailer, and we're out of here. Everything's hooked up, lights are hooked up, chains, everything's good. Tires are all good. We got a little dirt. Finally move these ramps up, and we are good there. Man, my hair's a mess. The rig is ready. I'll be back later, guys. Give me about 3 hours, 4 hours. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But talk to you guys in a second. Let's go ahead and get on the road, because we are late. Up, and we are moving. Dump trucks, I hate you. It says we have 82 miles to go, and we have 115 miles till the tank is empty. So this should be interesting. I think we can make it without any pit stops. Anyway, guys, the car we're looking at is an 07 Mustang GT. Should be really interesting. You guys know I love Mustangs, and maybe another Mustang can bring some content. I'm not sure what we'll do with this car. We might just do a quick flip on it, or we might build it, so you never know. But it's a really good deal, and it has a few problems, but nothing we can't handle. But we can handle a lot. So we're gonna go look at this thing. Should be cool. Hopefully get there before it gets dark, and it's just a straight shot up the interstate, so I'm not too worried about it. But we got tools in case something goes bad, and we got cash. So see what happens. Talk to you guys in a bit.
I'm lost, but I can't be found.
Going about 20 miles an hour. It's supposed to be 60 in a construction zone. Ton of tractor trailers. This is not ideal, guys. This is not ideal.
My notion's tainted, and if I make it, I promise that I'm always gonna say it. I always knew that my love for music would take me places. I put the brown bottle to my lips now. Yeah, I'ma drink this shit until I pass out.
Got him. Oh gosh, that looks rough. Okay, guys, so we are about 5 minutes away. I don't have anybody to film for me, so I'm gonna go ahead, as always, put the camera down and try to focus on making the deal here. So I'll let you guys know what happens. Hopefully we'll have a car on the back of this trailer, but you guys will see in a second when we stop at that Sheetz right there. That is perfect timing. You guys know I love Sheetz. We'll stop there and get gas for the way home, but I'm trying to beat sunset so I can see this thing in the light. So like I said, about 5 minutes away, so I'll talk to you guys in a second. But hopefully it all checks out and we will be cruising home with a new car. But I don't know, I'll let you guys know in a sec.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, that didn't go as planned. That didn't go as planned at all. Last time I talked to you, it was about 6:15, 6:30. It is 8:30, and I just left. We were at the Sheetz that I was telling you guys about. We stopped at. Well, we got the car. It's back there, and I have never had such an experience trying to get a car on a trailer. Where this car is so low, and I don't have my old trailer anymore. I just have this farm trailer. This trailer is so high. It was impossible to get this thing on there. It just was impossible. We spent 2 hours trial and error trying to get this car on. We may or may not rip the front bumper off like 3 times. It's been terrible. It's like 8:30. Yeah, 8:30, and I am still an hour and a half away from home in Lynchburg, but on the bright side, I did get some food, so I'll eat that real quick and I'll show you guys the car while we get some gas. But yeah. Well guys, here it is. 2007 Mustang GT. She's got some terrible stripes on her. The bumper is cracked, but it is a V8. We've got these wheels. I'm not sure what they are. They look kind of like some Rovos, but she is a GT. And I didn't even roll this window up. Nice. But leather interior, automatic, 108,000 miles, but surprisingly well kept. She looks nice. Could be a lot better though, but we're definitely gonna go with new bumper, new headlights. These are faded, new fog lights, maybe a new grille. We're gonna probably take these off and put some new stripes on, and we got to get an inspection because it was rejected for a hole in the trunk, but it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Oh man, my insert fell out. It's probably sitting on the road somewhere. Ah, so close. No. So we also did get some stock wheels. They are pretty bald though, but we might be able to rip a nice little burnout on them for fun. But we got the stock wheels just because he didn't want them anymore. But I'll roll that window up. I'm gonna tighten this thing down a little bit more, and my lights aren't working, so I just need a new trailer. Inside, we got a nice 3-valve V8 covered in power, but a nice little power plant to start with. She just needs cleaned. You guys, enough talking. It's about 9 o'clock at night, and I'm talking to a camera in the parking lot, so we're gonna get home. I'll talk to you guys here in a little bit.
This was never started for the money or the fame or the chance for my name. It was just an escape where I could write all over sinister thoughts up in my head, incorporated in the songs to try to keep myself safe. But nobody wanna see the bigger picture. All they focused on is how I'm having money coming quicker. Every day the population drifts away from the scriptures. Here's a kicker, I don't think the world will ever see fiction. It's right to see
we are finally home! Let's go! We made it home! Woo!
Tomorrow.
Guys, I woke up this morning and my dream was correct. Or nightmare. We still got a car. But and that was the fun part. We were trying to unload this thing, and you guys know how hard it was to get on. I don't know how we're gonna get this thing off. But I have an idea. A little dip in our driveway maybe. Try to get it off, but here she is. Oh, well, let's get to work. We'll grab some boards and let's try to get this car off. We got it backed up to this little ledge here. I'm thinking, drop the ramps down, put some boards here, and give us a nice little way to back off onto the road here. So we're gonna try it, but put you guys on a little time lapse and see if we can get this done. We got the car off, but now we are stuck because I can't get enough freaking clearance stuff. Oh man, Mustang problems. We're gonna keep working, but we got the car off. Go ahead and move this trailer out of the way. Okay guys, so we got the truck put up, we got the trailer put up, and the car is here. And man, she just looks great. I love the flow of this body style. It looks fantastic. It's a really clean car. There's a college kid, real nice guy, but guys, all leather interior. It's got the shaker system. It's an automatic, so that's kind of dumb, but we'll go into the plans deeper in the next few videos. But we're gonna do a small little build on this thing. Mainly, the big thing I hate is so much gap. We gotta lower this thing. The front end's getting completely redone. You guys know we tore it off when we were loading it up, and it has a crack in it, so we're getting a new bumper, new headlights, fog lights, maybe new grill, and then we got to do something about these stripes, because I like the stripes, but they're just cracked and look terrible. So guys, we'll get into it more in the next episode. We got some Jeep content coming up, some Mustang coming up, and some 65 Mustang updates coming soon. So guys, I've been dailying the 65 for the past week, and it has been running phenomenal. A few little issues here and there, but it's running great. You guys can see her down there. So without further ado, I'm gonna back this thing in here and let you guys hear the exhaust note, but it sounds real good. But guys, talk to you guys on the next one. See you.